Open the minting portal and connect your Ledger wallet. On the Ledger, open the Flare app and sign to authenticate. Next, switch to the XRPL app and sign again to complete authentication. Your wallet is now connected and balances are visible in the portal. Click on Mint and select FXRP and enter the number of lots to mint. Click Reserve Collateral to continue. On the Ledger, open the Flare app to start collateral reservation. Enable blind signing and choose Continue Anyway. This is temporary until clear signing is supported. Review the transaction details carefully, then hold to sign. Now quit the Flare app and open the XRPL app to confirm the XRP deposit. Review the transaction on Ledger and hold to sign. The minting process begins. Please note, this step can take a few minutes while the mint is processed on-chain. The portal displays the minting amount and the selected agent. Once minting is complete, your FXRP balance has increased and your XRP balance has decreased. Click Redeem FXRP to start the redemption process. Enter the number of lots to redeem. The portal shows the executor fee in FLR and the redemption fee in XRP. Click Next, then return to your Ledger. Open the Flare app on your Ledger. Enable blind signing once again, and continue anyway. Review the redemption transaction details, then hold to sign. Redemption is now processing on-chain. This may take a few moments. The process is finished. Your redemption is complete.